Did you know your S Pen can turn words into pictures? No drawing skill needed, just type, tap, and create. Today I will show you how to use Drawing Assist text to image to generate a 3D cartoon style image and save it to your gallery. It's perfect for fun characters, thumbnails idea, or creative stickers. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist, tap the text to image, and type what you want. For example, let's type a cat playing chess. Then tap done. Choose 3D cartoon effect from the style list. Tap generate and wait for the result. When the image is ready, tap the download icon to save it to the gallery. And that's how easy it is to turn text into a 3D cartoon picture using S Pen Drawing Assist. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.